myself, Mithra.B from Department of BCom Digital Marketing and Data Mining at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Uh, on the previous slide, we saw the source of agricultural credit. In here, we are going to see about cooperative bank in agricultural credit. What is cooperative bank? Which means cooperative banks are financial institutions, and that financial institutions are owned controlled by their members who are also customers. Unlike traditional banks, which are typically profit entities owned by shareholders, cooperative bank functions on the cooperative model. Each member has one vote in a decision making process, regardless of amount of capital, and having their interest invested, ensuring a demographic governance system. This is known as cooperative bank. What is the structure and membership in the sense? Structure and membership. Cooperative banks are functional institutions, which are financial institutions owned and operated by their members and also their customers. Unlike traditional banks, which are typically owned by shareholders, cooperative banks are structured as cooperative, where each members have vote in a bank governance, and regardless of amount of capital as invested, which means membership usually requires a small initial deposit or purchase of sale shares, and members benefit from the bank services and decision making processes. This structure fortresses a sense of community and collective ownership among members with the bank operation with their needs. This is known as structure and membership. The next thing is service and product. In commercial bank, a wide range of financial products and services tailored to need of their members. These often include saving capital, current account, personal account, and business loans, personal loan, investment opportunities, etc. In agricultural sector, cooperative banks may provide specialized products such as farm loans, crop insurance, financing for agricultural machineries. The focus is typically on providing affordable financial service to farmers. The next thing is interest rate and fees. One key advantages of cooperative bank is their competitive interest rate and lower fees compared to traditional commercial banks, because cooperative banks operates on a not for profit basis. Their primary goal is to benefit their members rather than maximum profit, which means this often translate into better rates on loans and higher returns on savings. Additionally, fees for various services are generally kept to a minimum, which helps members save money and manage their finance more effectively. This is known as interest rate and fees functions. The next function is local focus and community impact. What are the local forces involved in cooperative bank? Means strong emphasis on serving their local communities. They are often deeply in area where they operate and focus on promoting local economic development. This local focus allows cooperative banks to better understand and address the specific need of their members, including supporting local businesses and agricultural enterprises. By profit into community, cooperative bank contribute to regional development and help strengthen the economic of their service areas. This is known as local focus and community impact. The next thing is governance and decision making. In cooperative banks, decision making is democratic and with each member having a say in bank operation and policies. This governance model ensures that the bank strategies and decision reflects the collective interest of its members rather than external shareholders. In which means annual general meeting AGM is a key platform of members to discuss issues, votes on major decisions, and elect the board of directors, etc. This democratic approach helps ensure transparency and accountability within the bank, fortressing trust, engagement, and among the members. These are the functions involved in government decision making. This is known as cooperative banks and its functions. Thank you. We can see in the next slide.